This one I left in for a little longer. I decided to leave it in for like 3 days straight, which is really cool. Never did that before. It actually lifted the paint off of the sides of the crescent wrench. Really cool. I think this was the factory paint. All right, so really cool. It's like a skin. All right, so we're gonna take this out. 72 hours, 30%. This is just warm water with non-detergent laundry soap. One of the reasons why I bought this one in particular off eBay is because it was made in Jamestown, New York. Okay, so I like to collect tools from New York, being that I'm from New York, born and bred. And it's manufactured by Crescent Tool Company. Very nice tool. I think I paid $6 for it. In really, really good shape. I think it's going to come out very, very well.